Now, question number 2.32. Calculate the depression in freezing point of the water when 10 gram of the CH3CH2CHCl COOH is added to 250 gram of water, and Ka is given 1.4 into 10 power minus 3, Kf is equal to 1.86. Now, very easy question. First of all, weight of the solute, that is 10 gram taken. It is dissolved in 250 gram of water, and molecular mass of this compound is, that is 122.5. So first of all, we will find the molality, because we want to find delta depression in freezing point. So depression in freezing point, that is delta Tf. See here, delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into m. So first of all, we have to find the molality, then we will find the I, and then we will substitute in this equation. So now again, according to the formula of molality, the molality is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1000 upon W1. This is the weight of the solvent. W2 10 gram given 1000, molecular mass 122.5, W1 is 250. Calculation, according to the calculation, you will get the molality, that is 0.3264 molar. Now let's come to the equilibrium point of view. CH3 CH2 CHCl COOH and CH3 CH2, okay, when it will ionize from here, H plus is liberated and remaining entity is here, CH3 CH2 CHCl COO minus. Now, as we have done in equilibrium chapter, initial concentration is C, initial stage products are 0 0. Now degree of dissociation is alpha and alpha for 1 mole. So degree of dissociation of the reactant is 1 minus alpha, and so concentration at equilibrium is 1 minus alpha into C and alpha into C. As we have done in class 11, K is equal to alpha C into alpha C upon 1 minus alpha into C. What is this? This is the formula of equilibrium constant or dissociation constant, product upon reactant. The product is alpha C upon reactant is 1 minus alpha into C. After the cancellation, C and C square, this square is cancelled, so we will get the alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. As we are doing in 11th class also, we ignore this alpha from the denominator because it is very small amount. So after that we will get K is equal to alpha square C when 1 minus alpha is negligible. So Ka, so now Ka is 1.4 into 10 power minus 3, that is given in the question. 1.4 into 10 power minus 3, alpha square into 0.3264, it will going down, so alpha is equal to 0.065. Now we got alpha. You can use directly this formula also, but I show you the method how, so you can revise 11th class also. Otherwise from this step you can do this step also. K is equal to alpha square C. We will get the alpha is equal to 0.065. Now if you remember, I explained we have to find two things, that I and the molality. Molality we got 0.3264, and now we will find the want of factor I. Okay, so CH3 CH2 CHCl COOH gives this ionization. Again, if we have taken 1 mole, it is 0 0. Alpha and alpha is the degree of dissociation, 1 minus alpha. If we calculate at equilibrium total number of moles, so 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha minus alpha plus alpha cancel, that means we have 1 plus alpha after the dissociation. At the equilibrium, this is 1 minus alpha, it is also present in the solution, alpha is present in the solution, alpha is present in the solution. When we add all these three quantities, 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha minus alpha plus alpha cancel, that means after the dissociation in our solution we got 1 plus alpha. Because when we are applying the formula, when we will apply the formula for the I, what is the formula for I? I is the want of factor. The total ions dissociate upon number of ions before dissociation. Total number of total number of ions after dissociation, that means dissociated, and number of ions before dissociation. So as we calculate in the previous step, after the dissociation we have 1 plus alpha, and before the dissociation there is no ions in the solution, so it is 1 only. So I is equal to 1 plus alpha, 1 is 1 plus 0.065, so I is equal to 1.065. Delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. I is 1.065, KF is equal to 1.86, and M is equal to 0.3264. So after the calculation we will get delta TF is equal to 0.647 Kelvin. So this is the formula you have to remember. I is equal to total number of ions dissociated. That means before dissociation, after dissociation, and before dissociation.